Okay, guys, let's discuss about this trend. Actually, I love trend trading strategy because it gives one more confidence within the market, and that is one thing I love about it. So, someone actually asked about the current situation of Ganex 1200. And of course, when I checked, this is what I saw. This had been like this for some days. And of course, I'm going to explain this kind of trend and what you should do whenever you have a kind of trend like this. So if this is some of the things you have been facing within the forex market, then I will advise you to watch this video to the end so that you will have a better understanding of how it works. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into it right away. Before I do that, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you send a direct message to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, this is Ganex 1200, and this is the way it looks like. Just the way you have seen it, right from this support when it started an uptrend, but till it got to this region, had a pullback, went back up again, had another pullback, went back up again. This has been in this form for a while. It is more of an uptrend, but this is the movement it has been giving to us. So this is not a direct uptrend, okay? It has been moving within a particular channel for a while, okay? And I'm going to prove this to you right now. So this is what I usually do when I am experiencing something like this, okay? I just try to draw out a trend line cutting across some major points around here so that when it get there, I know what we are most likely to experience. Okay? So that is what I do generally. Okay, and we'll also try to pick it up at the top also, just this way. Okay, making sure you just need to make sure it's actually touch some of these major points at the top and of course down there. Okay, so if you should notice, this is the way this has been moving. When it got into the channel at this point, it came down till it got to this support zone, and it switched into an uptrend because it was unable to break out from there, and it bought for a while. You can see when it got to the upper part of the channel, it was unable to break out above it. So it came back down again and got to the lower parts, went back up again, even though it didn't get to the upper parts, got to the middle and came back down. It happens like that, and try to play around here, probably trying to see if it can break out below it, but it didn't break out below it. Then went back up till it gets to this. Till it got to the upper part of the channel. Tried to go back down, but didn't go too far. The same thing that happened around here, okay? When it was going up, it didn't go too far and went back to the upper part of the channel again, and it didn't break out above it, so it came down. And right now, it is at the lower part of the channel, okay? So this is it. This is how it will be moving. It is on uptrend, but it will be transacting in between this channel, okay? And it will be focusing majorly on the uptrend than the downtrend. However, there will always be pullbacks like this, okay? There will always be an opportunity for you to sell like this. So you can easily go like this. You buy here, and once it is approaching the upper part of the trend, you close your trade because you don't know if it's going to break out above it. If it does not, immediately switch back into a downtrend. You come in again and sell because it has gotten to the upper part of the trend already, and it's sold. Immediately it is getting to the lower part of the trend, you close again and allow it to switch back into an uptrend, bought again and came down again. Again, right here, you buy again. Immediately you get a uptrend, buy signal. you buy. And of course, when it gets to the lower part of, I mean, upper part of the trend, or when it is about getting there, you close your trade again and wait for a sell signal. And you can see, and what you're actually looking for is you are waiting for a major breakout. But while you are waiting for the major breakout, you can still swing in between the channel one, two, three, four. Can you see that? You can swing in between the channel and use it to milk the market within those periods. Okay. And right now, as you can see, it's trying to break out around there. And if it closes this and open a new one, then it has broken out fully. Then it means that it is going to sell for a while at that point. Okay. So if I were you, this is what I would focus on. Okay. I will have my TP around here. Sorry, around here. Here is going to be my first TP. Okay, this point. Can you see? And if it breaks out from here, then I will now target this region again. Okay, so that is it. So that is if it's able to break out fully. However, if it goes back into the channel, then it will continue with the movement up and down within the channel. So it is as simple as that. So each time I realize that a market is giving me this kind of movement, it gets to this point, it's went back up, gets to this point, it goes back down. I will know that it is coming to this lower part of the channel. So what I will just do is just to draw this and draw this. Okay. So once it gets to the lower part of the channel, I will know that it's going to buy again. I will buy again. Once it gets to the upper part of the channel, I will know that it's going to sell again. Then I will sell again until I'm able to see a major breakout. Once there is a major breakout, then I know it's going to follow that direction for a while. Okay, so that is how it works. So guys, I hope you have learned a lot from today's video. You can go back to my channel and watch more of this. It is as simple as that. Okay, so if you have any question, you can drop your question for me within the comment section, or probably you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.